So Mila Rose and I are outside. Well, Mila's just gone to the door. We're outside because we've got another storm. You just missed really good lightning, Mila Rose.
Oh, come on.
It's alright, you're here now. Got another storm here. It's been a wee while. It's been since
Really hear the thunder.
February was the last time we were sitting out here with a lot of hail. That was in summer, so we're
And we saw a cloud spinning in a circle.
That's right. So this
like a
is spring. We're just coming into spring now. So springtime is when you can get a few storms.
We usually get storms in like December.
Yeah,
November.
December. Definitely in December is when we get a few storms.
Sometimes we get storms in August.
I mean, you can get storms all year round, really, but most of the storms we get are usually at the start of December, which is just coming into our summer.
Oh!
Both like, ooh.
That one was cool. It was like flicker, flicker. Ooh.
It's very quiet thunder, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not booming thunder, it's rolling thunder.
Ooh. Oh!
Wow! Wow! Holy moly, did you see that, Mila Rose?
Yes.
That was so cool!
Did you get it on camera?
I don't know how much of it I did. That was the coolest lightning I've ever seen.
I think it might be near us.
Oh, it's moved to over there now. That was so, that went on for ages. Oh wow, that's really long thunder.
Really?
Over this.
It's a game that you have to
Just show you girls when you're older.
Colour or die. Yeah, colour die. Colour or die.
Hey.
She's like, your crack is bigger than mine.
Blakely,
She won't take her eyes off it. But
you're gonna eat that? No, eat it. Eat it.
Yeah, buddy.
she's that swap you.
Coffee, and then, no, you eat back to sleep. I just wake you
Give
up.
me those.
No, because my alarm started going off. Yeah, 5 to 7. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Because I'm like, fuck on.
Listen, I'm trying to film the girls being cute.
Stop arguing.
I'm gonna replay that back.
Oh, it's so cute. Yes.
Oh, you're so gorgeous.
Hey, Poppy.
Move that beer, mate. She's gonna grab it. As soon as you grab it on out, she's like jelly is.
Hi, Poppy.
Frankly, in about a year's time when I get to edit it.
Well, you're only going to grow this.
How's your tuning?
Grow this tall this year.
No. I said, how old are you turning?
5.
5. But how old are you turning? Good.
Yes. Oh, really? Leah.
Go.
Leah wasn't married.
I didn't know like that.
You know the chips in it. Hey, whatever, man. I don't have sausages either.
These chips are
Are they, bro?
Nice, Micah.
Yum.
Yum.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Phoenix. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Clap for Phoenix! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! No, one clap for good luck!
Phoenix.
Happy birthday to you. Let the Lord bless you and keep you. Happy school days to you. Come on. Blakely, come on. Jake, no, I don't want to.
Here we go.
Running so much faster.
Go.
Good girl. And I'm done.
I just saw this.
Oh, oh. The plant in the way, is it? Look. Meh. Sheep. Now moves it away from the window, eh? Okay. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean. Where are you going? Can we use it as a walker? Got a little toothy pig in here. It's got a little toothy pig in here. Oh, bless you. Oh, that's a bit dramatic.
Trapped inside the mind of a dreamer, losing sight of all the visions in my head. I've been tossing all my thoughts off the deep end, drowning out.
Right, Father's Day. Martin's doing his favourite thing in the world. Putting a little something in the Weber charcoal Barbie. Are those flavoured or are they just
Yeah, hickory.
hickory?
I feel like I've been wasting all my life. Everything I tell myself is a lie. Feel like I'm 6 feet underground. I've got dreams on my gravestone, no flowers to be found. I keep screaming, shouting, this is my battleground. Though I'm trapped inside the mind of a dreamer, my fears can't hold me down.
Oh yeah, do you want mine? Well,
You tricked me.
Blakely, come here. Come have daddy. Come on.
Well, we couldn't do it this morning because we had to get the one little piece of the puzzle, okay? That Mila Rose was begging me to get all week. There you go.
Thanks, darling. Is this another prank one?
Nope.
Are you sure it's the same bag?
No, it's not
it's
the
a
same
different bag.
bag.
Oh, yeah. Is this the one she wanted you to get? I love this. Thank you.
Yeah, because after you said about it in the warehouse weeks ago, I said to Mila Rose, remind me and we'll go get it for Father's Day.
I want to squish it. Even though it's for you. Oh my gosh. It's so
Nice.
clear.
Oh, you gave me the artwork you made.
Yeah.
Ow. Very clever, Mila.
Very abstract.
Very abstract.
It looks like ice.
You're fantastic. Thanks, darling.
You're welcome.
You're fantastic.
I think you are fantastic. Fantastic.
I tried.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
That's supposed to have a C on the end.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic because you make the best sausage sizzles and you are so fun to be around. Oh, thanks, darling.
Blakely, you give this one to Dad because this is from you. You give it to Dad. Say, ta Dad.
Oh, thanks, darling. It better not be a scan of a baby.
No, it's definitely not. It's literally actually from her. No way. I would be crying. I want to go on my cruise. It's actually from her.
Did you make this? Oh, wow.
Where'd you make that?
Oh, no.
She's like, look, there's an envelope.
Oh, thank you. Look, you made this for me. Oh,
Dad. Dad. Dad.
clever. Do you remember doing that?
Dad.
Here you go, Dad.
See what's
Thank you.
inside it.
Hey? Yeah, I did. Is it a sauce? Or am I meant to pull it out?
It's a drink.
Oh, I drank.
Can
cheesy barbecue clean.
Oh, nice.
The bigger
Big
barbecue.
one. Yeah. Ow.
Because, what'd you do? Did you put it on this?
Yes, that is what it is. Ooh. Is it the orgasmic?
You know how we were talking
yeah,
about it the
that's
other
so funny. Did you say that on purpose?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Charcoal scoop.
Yeah, when I saw you doing all that today, I was like, oh, I needed to give it to him all this morning, but we couldn't.
Perfect. All in a scrubber. Perfect. Oh, thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Oh, that might be-
That's
Some
look.
liquor. Oh, yeah.
That's the.